What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Kobe 5 Protro in the Big Stage Parade colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. They're an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and right now, for my viewers only, you'll be able to get 25% off your entire purchase through that link down below. In addition, if you guys use the code MYSTERY at checkout, you can stack that discount and get an additional 15% off your order as well. If you check out their products, you'll see they're very versatile, very wearable, and it's an easy way to spice up your outfit. And most recently, they introduced their mystery boxes. Customers get 2 exclusive products mailed to their door every month. And I wanted to point out that these products are not available on the website, so you can only obtain them through these mystery boxes. So again, that's Rose Gold and Black. Be sure to check them out, links are down below. Jumping back to the shoes, these Kobe 5s dropped on August 23rd for $200 US or $235 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is white, black, and metallic gold. And this colorway combines elements of the Kobe 5 Big Stage, which dropped back in 2010, along with the Parade PE version that Kobe wore during the parade celebrating his 5th and final NBA title. So as you can see, both of these shoes is done in this split mismatching fashion. However, the upper on both shoes is still constructed out of that same heat bonded overlay that the originals were done in as well. So you can see from the top down, the lateral side of the left foot and the medial side of the right foot are accented with these black colored tattoo-like graphics. So this is similar to the Parade PE, except for that one it was done in blue, and in this case it's done in black. And then at the edge of the toe box, there's this additional overlay to give you added reinforcement and structure. So first off, taking a look at the lateral side of the right foot, so at first glance this looks like it's just all done in white. You'll see we still have those same tattoo-like graphics, but because they're done in white, it blends in with the rest of the upper. On the midfoot, we have a gold Nike swoosh, along with these flywire cables which are embedded within this overlay, which gives the sides of the shoe some added containment and structure. When you compare this to the lateral side of the left shoe, so the graphics here are much more obvious because of course they're done in black. We still have the gold Nike swoosh on this side as well, and then towards the back heel of both shoes, we have this padded gold colored nylon, along with this large heel cup which incorporates Kobe Bryant's signature at the very back. And at the very top of the back heel, this area is very padded and it's covered in this softer gold colored nylon. The inner liners of the left and right shoe are different, so on the left shoe it's lined in a black colored nylon, and on the right shoe this is done in white. Taking a look from the top, so these incorporate mismatching laces, with the left shoe having white laces and the right shoe having black laces. In either case, these come with gold lace tips, which was a nice added touch. Underneath the laces we have your tongue, which is lined in mesh at the bottom. So again, the tongues here are mismatching as well. And then the top of the tongue features this iridescent overlay, and then it's constructed in the synthetic leather at the very top. Rounding out the design, we have the Kobe logo at the very top in gold. Moving on to the insoles, these come with custom branded insoles, with Kobe Bryant inspired graphics found throughout. So the upper of these Kobe 5s sits atop this Cushlon midsole, which again is done in this split-like fashion. So on the lateral side of the left shoe, it's done in black, whereas on the lateral side of the right shoe, it's done in white. And then we see the inverse is true on the medial sides. Incorporated within this midsole but not visible to the eye, we have a Nike Air Zoom Turbo unit found within the forefoot, which is a much larger zoom unit compared to the OGs. But unlike the OGs, they've taken away the zoom unit underneath the heel. And then taking a look at the bottom of the sneaker, here we have a semi-translucent milky rubber outsole. And at the bottom heel, we have this exposed Cushlon with Kobe Bryant's logo done in gold. And in the middle, we have this carbon fiber shank plate to give you that torsional rigidity and midfoot support. For those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I got these in a size 10.5. Generally, I feel like the Kobe 5 runs a bit snug, so I always go up a half size. So your mileage may vary. If you like a really snug fit, then you might be able to get away with true to size, but I'd probably recommend going up a half size. Next up, in terms of comfort, from just a strictly casual use perspective, these guys feel pretty comfortable on feet. The Kobe 5 is a very light feeling sneaker, and even though they took away the zoom air underneath the heel, this Cushlon midsole felt pretty soft and responsive. And while the zoom unit underneath the forefoot was a little bit stiff out of the box, I'm sure this will break in over time and become much bouncier and responsive over time. With all that being said, now let's lace up these Kobe 5 Big Stage Parades, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. The Kobe 5 is right up there with the Kobe 4 in terms of my favorite Kobe silhouettes of all time. And to me, even though it has a split design, the colorway itself with white, black, and gold, I think it's very wearable. And to me, this is a very well done sneaker that pays homage to the late Kobe Bryant. You know, unfortunately, it wasn't the easiest shoe to cop, and Nike, for some reason, decided to limit this shoe. I personally lucked out because a friend of mine was able to cop from footlocker.ca, but I know a ton of other people out there that weren't that lucky. If I know anything about Nike, it's that they like to limit their initial products and then eventually flood the market. So hopefully, for the true Kobe fans out there, Nike will do that, and we'll see a ton of other Kobe 5 releases down the road. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this big stage parade colorway. And compared to all the other Kobe releases this week, how do you rank these ones compared to the rest? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.